Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to deactivate call forwarding on Samsung. The first thing is open up your phone settings. By phone setting I mean the phone, like the call setting. Tap on it, make sure it's on phone here, not on recent, not on keypad, but on contacts. So next thing you do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then tap on the settings. Tap on the settings option. Next thing you do is tap on supplementary services. Now next thing you do is tap on call forwarding. Now this is for SIM 1 right here. So this is where I actually activated my call forwarding. So this is where I should deactivate. So tap on it now. Now you can see call forwarding and busy is activated on this. So tap on forward and busy. And you can see updates cancel. This is tap on this forward on one side or always forward or forward on reachable. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.